Good afternoon, children. We are going to revise the several chapters in mathematics. Today, we have to revise mensuration. There are so many questions in mensuration in which you have some doubts. I am interested to know about a matter of fact that in which question you have some doubts. If you have any doubt in any portion, in any question, you must say to me about your doubts. Already we have done each and every questions related with cuboid and cube, right circular cylinder, right circular cone, plus hollow cylinder also, where total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squares. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi R square H. But in case of hollow cylinder means जो अंदर से खोखला हो, 2 radii occurs in hollow cylinder. First one is internal radius, second one is external radius, where external radius is equal to internal radius plus width, जिसको हिंदी में हम लोग मोटाई भी कहते हैं. Hence, capital R is equal to small r plus d, where d stands for width, small r stands for internal radius, and capital R stands for external radius. In this way, we become able to evaluate the questions related with hollow cylinder also, where curved surface area of hollow cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi into capital R into H, as well as volume of hollow cylinder V is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square into H, where capital R stands for external radius, small r stands for internal radius, and H stands for height. Next one is total surface area. Total surface area of hollow cylinder is equal to curved surface area plus area of two rims, upper rims and lower rims, because in case of hollow cylinder, rims are being formed, where area of a rim is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square. So, total surface area of hollow cylinder become equal to 2 pi into small r into H plus 2 pi into capital R into H plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square, where capital R stands for external radius and small r stands for internal radius. This is your total surface area of hollow cylinder. After that, you have to just see cuboid and cube. Cuboid is your solids. This is your three-dimensional figure having 6 rectangular faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Suppose that length, breadth and height of a cuboid be L, B and H respectively, then its diagonal is equal to under root L square plus B square plus H square, as well as lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. It is also known as area of 4 walls, as well as total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus L into H, where L, B and H have their usual meaning, and diagonal of cuboid is equal to under root L square plus B square plus H square. Similarly, we become able to solve each and every question related with cube, where cuboid and cube both are same. Main difference between cuboid and cube is this: in case of cube, all sides become equal to each other. Means in case of cube, length, breadth and height remains same. So, lateral surface area of the cube become equal to 4 L square, where L stands for length of each side of a cube, and total surface area become equal to this 6L square, and volume of cube is equal to L whole cube. Means side into side into side, as well as diagonal of a cube become equal to root 3 into side. Root 3 into side. This is your diagonal of a cube. Okay. In this way, after knowing the formula of cuboid and cube, right circular cylinder, hollow cylinder, as well as right circular cone, we become able to solve the questions related with these three-dimensional figure. All are three-dimensional figures. If you have any doubt in any question, you must say to me about your doubts. I will solve your problem, of course. Have any doubt in any question? किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कहीं कुछ डाउट है? डाउट से तो पूछिए. नहीं है दोनों के. I'm going to solve a question related with right circular cylinder. Your question is this: the diameter of a roller is 2.5 meter and its length is 1.4 meter. How much area will it cover in 7 revolutions? At first you have to see the data that it is given in the question that radius of the roller is equal to 2.5 by 2 meter, because diameter is given as 2.5 meter and length of the roller is equal to 1.4 meter. So its curved surface area of roller is equal to 2 pi RH, because we know that curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. That's why we become able to evaluate the required curved surface area of cylinder by using the same formula. We have answer is this: we have radius R is equal to 2.5 by 2 meter and length of this H is equal to 1.4 meter. It is given in the question. Hence, CSA of roller, CSA, curved surface area of a roller, is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH, small r into h. This must be equal to 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is equal to 2.5 by 2 into height is 1.4. This one is 0.7. 7 is being cancelled by 0.1. This must be equal to 44 into 2.5 into 0.1. This must be equal to 11 meter square. कैसे? 44 into 25 by 10 into 1 by 10. कीजिए 5 to 10, 5 to 25, 5 to 10. This one is 22 and that one is 11. 11 meter square is your required curved surface area. We know that area covered in one revolution is equal to curved surface area of roller. Therefore, area covered in 7 revolutions, it means area covered in one revolution is equal to 11 meter square. Hence, area covered in 7 revolutions is equal to 77 meter square. It is your answer. Your question is given as this. Question is given as the diameter of a roller is 2.5 meter. Question it is the diameter of a roller is 2.5 meter and Its length is 1.4 meter. Length is 1.4 meter. How much area will it cover? Will it cover in 7 revolution? 7 revolution. Question it is, the diameter of a roller is 2.5 meter and its length is 1.4 meter. Length means height. How much area will it cover in 7 revolutions? How much area will it cover in 7 revolutions? Here diameter is 2.5 meter, so radius become equal to 2.5 by 2 meter, that is 1.25. 1.25 meter is the required radius. Height is equal to 1.4 meter. Hence curved surface area of a roller is equal to 2 pi RH. After solving it, our solution become equal to 11 meter square. It means area covered by roller in one revolution. Area covered by roller in one revolution means its curved surface area is equal to 11 meter square. Hence, area covered in 7 revolutions become equal to 7 into 11, that is 77 meter square. It is your answer. Have any doubt in it? कई कुछ डाउट्स है, फिर से बताऊंगा. नो? ठीक, रब कर देते हैं. Next one is it is the volume of a cylinder is 150 pi centimeter cube. Next question it is the volume of a cylinder is 150 pi centimeter cube and its height is 6 centimeter. Find the areas of its total surface and lateral surface, that is curved surface. Given that question number 10, page number 249, we have the same result. The volume of a cylinder is 150 pi. Volume V is equal to 150 pi centimeter cube. And its height is 6 centimeter. H is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the area of its total surface. Then we have to evaluate first one is curved surface area CSA, second one is total surface area TSA. How we become able to evaluate its curved surface area and total surface area, इसको हम लोग देखेंगे. Volume of cylinder is given as 150 pi centimeter cube. Answer it is, let radius of the cylinder be R, Then we have volume V is equal to pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. This is equal to 150 pi is equal to pi into r square into height into 6. देखिए दिस इज वेरी रिमार्केबल थिंग. यहाँ दिया हुआ 150 पाई इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर इंटू 6. जहाँ पाई पाई दोनों साइड में मेंशन हो वहाँ पाई का वैल्यू पुट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. पाई बिकम कैंसिल टुगेदर. सो देयर इज नो इक्वेशन टू पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई इज इक्वल टू आइदर 32/7 और 3.14. इसमें टाइम वेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसलिए कि दोनों साइड में पाई आएगा और पाई तो कैंसिल होगा. दैट्स वाई पाई पाई इज बीइंग कैंसिल. दिस 25 6 are 150. It means r square is equal to 25. Therefore, r is equal to square root of 25. That is 5 centimeter. Total surface area become equal to 5 centimeter. So, radius become equal to 5 centimeter. Find the areas of its total surface. And the first one is hands. Curved surface area CSA equal to 2 pi rs. 2 pi rs, 2 into 22/7. The radius is given as 5 into height is being evaluated as this 6. This must be equal to, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 2 pi into 30. This is equal to 60 pi. 60 pi centimeter square is your required CSA, is your required curved surface area, as well as its total surface area. Its second one is its total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Total surface area of a right circular cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into pi into radius is equal to 5 into 5 plus 6. 10 pi into 11. 110 pi centimeter square. It is your answer. Your total surface area become equal to 110 pi centimeter square. This is right solution. Have any doubt in it? ठीक है, इसको नोट कीजिए. Note it. किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? Revision is going on. You are totally free to ask any question to me according to your syllabus. पूरे किताब से, पूरे सिलेबस से, पूरे बुक से कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए बच्चे फ्री हैं हमसे. कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं आप. Because revision is going on, syllabus is being finished by me 2 times. 2 बार सिलेबस को मैंने फिनिश किया है, एक बार नहीं 2 बार. अब फाइनल एग्जाम है, कॉपी बाहर जाएगी आपकी. ओके, रब कर दें. रब कर दें. ओके. Have any doubt in it? Next question is this. Next one is this: the radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is 14 decimeter and height is 15 meter. Find out its CSA. Radius is given as 14 decimeter. Question number 9, page number 241. We have radius is given as radius R is equal to 14 decimeter. We have to convert the given decimeter as in terms of meter. This 14 decimeter can be written as 14 by 10 meter. This is equal to 1.4 meter. Radius is equal to 14 decimeter. It is given in the question. This will be equal to 14 by 10, that is 1.4 meter. And height is h is equal to 15 meter. It is given in the question. Hence, curved surface area CSA of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 by 7, 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 1.4 into height is 15. 7 to the 14.2. 44 into 15 to the 30, yani 3. 4 to the 12, 4 to the 12 plus 1, 13. 132 meter square is your required curved surface area. And its total surface area will be equal to this. Second one is TSA 2 pi r into r plus h. This must be equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 into whole 1.4 plus height is given as 15. So 1.4 plus 15, 7 to the 14.2, 44 into 288, 8.8 into 15 x 16.4. This must be equal to 8.8 into 16.4. So lower at say 128. This must be equal to 144.32. 144.32 meters square is the right answer. Have any doubt in it? Yes. That is your answer. It is given in the question that radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is 14 decimeter and its height is 15 meter. Then find out the value of curved surface area of the cylinder. And second one is total surface area of the cylinder. If radius is 14 decimeter, then in meter it will be equal to 14 by 10. That is 1.4 meter. As well as height is given as 15 meter. Hence, curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. After solving it, we have the same result. 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 15. This will be equal to 132 meter square, as well as total surface area of this right circular cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. This will be equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 into whole 1.4 plus 15, because height is given as 15 meter. After solving it, we have the same result. 144.32 meter square. So total surface area of this right circular cylinder is equal to 144.32 meter square. It is your answer. इससे we become able to solve all questions related with right circular cylinder, right circular hollow cylinder, as well as cuboid, as well as cube, and so on. According to the given question, we have to follow the right steps by using the right formula to solve that appropriate given question. If your formula is right, calculation is right, then your answer is right. If your formula is wrong, or concept is wrong, or calculation is wrong, then answer become wrong. So all of you must avoid all these things. Your answer should be correct, your calculation should be to the point, your formula should be right, and so on. Okay? Have any doubt in it? कहीं कुछ डाउट है फिर से बताएंगे. आफ्टर मेंस्ट्रुएशन का सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाना चाहिए या नहीं? मेंस्ट्रुएशन का सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा या कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? आप किसी भी राइटर का क्वेश्चन पूछें, लेकिन पूछें. हम सारे राइटर्स का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए, इंडिया में जितना राइटर्स है सब का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए खड़े हैं आपके लिए. आप पूछ कर देखिए, आपका सारा क्वेश्चन का आंसर हमसे मिलेगा. इसलिए at first you have to try to solve each and every question from other writer also, that is from NCERT, as well as from R.S. Agrawal, as well as so many writers. Okay, if you become unable to solve that particular question, I will solve that question within a fraction of time. और भी किसी क्वेश्चन में किसी बच्चे को कोई डाउट है? Have any doubt in any question? डाउट है? नो? तो हम होप करें कि मेंस्ट्रुएशन का सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा सारे बच्चों से, इंक्लूडिंग पॉलीहेड्रॉन. पॉलीहेड्रॉन से भी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आता है, लेकिन वो बहुत ही छोटा रहता है, ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप का क्वेश्चन रहता है, लेकिन पढ़ना मस्ट है. इसलिए पॉलीहेड्रॉन को खूब बढ़िया से पढ़ कर रखेंगे, जिससे कि उस टॉपिक से जब हम डील करें तो आपको अच्छी तरह समझ में आए व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू से. ओके ओके. और भी किसी क्वेश्चन में कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? नो.